Welcome to Alpha Engineers.
So hello friends, in last video as I have shown you how to download and install MPLAB X IDE with XC8 compiler. So in this video I will be showing you how to set up a project in MPLAB X. Click on File, New Project, Standalone Project, click on Next. All families, select your device. In my case it is PEAK 18F. PEAK 18F 4520. Click on it, select next. I am using PeakKit 3, so as per your availability you can use your hardware tools. Click on next. In last video as I have downloaded the XC8 compiler, click on that and select next. Give project name, so I'll be giving new project since we are doing it for the first time, and select a project location. Click on finish. So here it is, new project. Click on source file, new main.c. just erase new. You can give file name whatever you want. Make sure it is present in created file and click on finish. Here you go. Compiler has already given you lot of ready-made things. So make sure that source file, a main.c comes under source file, and click on header files, right click on header files, new xc8 underscore header.h, write as conbits. Conbits is nothing but a header file itself which programmer has developed, conbits, and make sure here also conbits.h is there in created file. Click on finish. So erase all these commented points. So after that, make sure you delete everything and just keep last end if section. So here you need to replace by default header template with conbits underscore h, conbits underscore h, and there you are. So after that, click on window, select target memory views, click on configuration bits. Now here you need to select the configuration bits, so please follow my instructions carefully. First, oscillator selection bits. Click here, you need to select internal oscillator, port function RA6 and RA7. After that, PWRT, make it disable itself. PWRT, there is no need to make any changes. Make changes in brownout reset in hardware and software. After that, the watchdog timer, disable watchdog timer. After that, port bits, make digital input output on reset. After that, click on stack full underflow. It will not cause any reset. After making just these 5 changes, click on generate source code to output, and you will get these many instructions and by default configurations through it. Just copy everything and you need to paste under #include xc.h header file. Make sure you delete this hash include xc.h from downward part. After that, click on default, click on customize. As I have selected PicKit 3, click on PicKit 3, memories to program, drop down and make it power. Since I am using external power supply 5 volt, so I'll not select this because this is for internal. Click for apply. All changes have been applied, and then click on OK. So here you are. So there is conbits.h file. In source file there is main.c. click on main.c. You need to write hash include conbits.h and just run the program to check whether all the instructions and all the settings has been correctly done by us. Yes, here we go, build successful, and there is a happy compiler for you. Thank you so much.